And now it's time for the big reveal of the winter sowing containers. So, first one up. Ready? All right. Voila! Ooh, look at this. We got some poppies. Okay, so this here is the Amazing Gray poppy. Small black poppy. Single
double pink poppy.
Single double pink poppy. Thank you. Next up. Ooh, more poppies. So we have the Shirley poppy, the poppy checkers, and
purple Pinar poppy.
Purple peony.
Oh.
Pinar. That's a Y. Purple peony poppies. And then holy moly, look at that broccoli. So we have broccoli, we have arborito. There, we have, what is this one?
Herville.
Okay, let's see what that is. Chervil. And
That's
rocket
an
larkspur. So I'm not sure if there's actually rocket larkspur or if it's another seed that drifted over. Oh, look at that. So this is the, okay, so here this is the agastache. I don't know if there's any in there.
Yeah, they came.
There's a couple things, but I don't know if that's really what it is. This says prairie drop seed. And I think it is because prairie drop seed is a grass. I know, but I gotta read the labels. And then this is Sarinth or bluebell, what's it called? Bell something. And then this is, I think, the Malva.
Malva. Doesn't look like that.
Well, I'm not the one that wrote it, so.
Neither am I.
I know. Excuse me, Dex. All right, and I'll come up here on this one. So these are my little hollyhocks. They're so cute. And
forget-me-not.
And
dill seeds.
Dill and
I don't know. That's on your side.
It says straw flowers, but the only thing we have growing on this side is, well, this one, but that's not a straw flower. And then this is a weed. So oh my goodness, we got lots of these coming up. Oh my goodness, and another one. Gotta weed my winter sowing containers. So I think the only thing that didn't germinate is the straw flowers, and I've got those coming up out back. A few of the forget-me-nots, and a ton of dill. I shouldn't have done the dill because I got a lot of dill self-seeding. So I would say that was I'm echoing. I would say that's pretty successful. The only thing we didn't have was straw flowers. Is anything else not have anything? The prairie drop seed has one. Oh, this one here. What is this? The Sarinth. Yeah, there's nothing on that one. It was just another one of the not lucky charms. And yeah, I think that's all of them, right? Well, the larkspur is a possible. Nah, maybe, but. Hi, Dex. That's it.
That's it.
Well, I'm doing it, and
Thank
it's
you
part of the other
so
video.
much for watching, and today that was a successful day.
Just get some of this.
Jenny, womp womp womp. What are you doing? No, don't get your muddy paws on me.